Corn has been growing here in this 5,000 square foot research field each season since 2003. With every planting, researchers from the Plant Biological Sciences program at Lehman College learn more about the genetics of corn. This is considered to be the only field of its kind in New York City. Dr. Eleanore Wurtzel is the chair of the CUNY Plant Sciences PhD subprogram. She heads a team of scientists including graduate students, undergraduates, and visiting scientists from around the world. They are studying how the behavior of plant genes affects the nutritional content of provitamin A carotenoids. These are naturally occurring compounds important to human health.
For the researchers, having a cornfield on campus, it's a great convenience. But for the students, the advantage is that we're in the middle of the Bronx. Pavement, certainly no cornfields around, and I think that one disadvantage for students here, even people living in the Bronx in general, is that people don't have a chance to see what plants really look like when they're growing.
The corn is grown naturally and it is not genetically modified. Instead, researchers use the natural diversity of the plant to determine which strains produce the highest nutritional content.
So corn of these color varieties is the type of corn we would grow in our cornfield. Then we bring it back to the research laboratory where we begin to look at the genes that are responsible for the colors in these corn.
Carotenoids are naturally occurring compounds that are converted into vitamin A in the body. Without these, there are serious risks of eye disease and other illnesses.
We're working on a problem that's related to global vitamin A deficiency that affects 250 million children under the age of 5 all over the world. That's equivalent to the entire population of the United States.
The reason I went into this was I wanted to do something meaningful. I wanted to do something that would help people. We're trying to improve the nutritional value of these cereal crops like maize and rice, which are staples in many third world countries.
Researchers use high-tech machines to study the gene sequences of the different types of corn. The ever-increasing role of computers in the laboratory has created a relatively new field in biology, known as bioinformatics.
Bioinformatics is the melding of two disciplines, biology and computer science. So someone who is versed in computer science can provide the tools to actually analyze and extract information from genome sequence. So it's a very important area of growth in biology.
This research has received more than $7 million in grants from the National Institutes of Health and other groups. The funds give students access to cutting-edge technology and the chance to participate in research with a global impact.
I'm a biochemistry major, so it's very important that I learn all these techniques that I'm using here in this lab. So what this is basically helping me to do is get the experience that I need and the competency I need to go forward and get become more competitive in the field. This will help me also get back to communities in Africa because, as we know, malnutrition is one of the biggest problems in Africa.
This research may improve the nutritional value of corn in the future, not only in developing countries, but also the corn that people may find on grocery store shelves here in the Bronx.